everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm REY. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a while and I'm coming back with something very exciting, something that I've been working on for the past 2 years, and I can't believe that I'm saying this, but I came out with my own lipstick shade. I partner up actually with IL MAKIAGE. I can't stop smiling. It's very exciting. I feel like you guys are gonna love it just like I do. From the packaging to the formula, it's amazing and I'm very proud of it. It's been 2 years in the making and I can't believe that it's finally out. I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this makeup look and talk some more about my little baby. So let's just get right into it. And before you do, by the way, make sure to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram, where I'm way more active at REY_MMDL. And if you want to see how I did this, let's get right into it. Oh my god, it's such a beautiful day today. I am so excited about today's video. I did my eyebrows because and I have some primer on, and what I've been doing lately is actually color correct. So I'm gonna use IL MAKIAGE concealer. Look at those dark circles and then dark spots. It's just not cute, so I'm gonna try to fix it. A brush to like just blend it a little bit. Just makes your makeup look flawless, which I like a lot. Apply some foundation. It's matte, but like it doesn't look too matte. I have like very oily skin, so I feel like this is like literally the perfect foundation for me. And now that I'm done, I'm gonna move on to concealer, and then I use the light one, the one I just used to highlight, and then a darker shade to contour. And both of these are from IL MAKIAGE. Yeah, how it blends so nicely, like it's not too harsh. Just like that. And then see that harsh mark here? I like to go back with my brush and just, you know, like dab a little bit, just so like it's less harsh. There you go. It's looking actually really good. And what I'm gonna use now is banana powder to just set my highlight. I literally spilled my banana powder like everywhere on my face. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. I have a round face, but listen, we just gonna fake it until we make it, because those cheekbones are pretty much non-existent, but they don't want to come out, but we'll make it happen. So, and then meanwhile, I'm gonna use the Waka Waka mineral bake powder, and it's from IL MAKIAGE as well. And I'm gonna use this brush. So my camera actually died in the middle of filming, so I had to take a break and wait until the battery like fully charges. Still use my bronzer to apply it on my lid. Next, I like to apply blush and highlight. For highlight, what I'm gonna use is this one. I think I'm gonna go with this shade. And this is the Little Star. It's actually from the IL MAKIAGE and Carly Bible collaboration. So I'm gonna use Little Star right here. See that glow? Okay, so now that I'm done with the eyes, I wasn't expecting myself to go with something this dramatic, but I did dramatic eyeliner, a little bit of highlight in the inner corners, lashes of course, liner on my waterline, and then mascara. Now we're gonna move on to the star of the show. I'm gonna show you my little baby. I'm so excited about this. I can't believe it's actually mine. It looks amazing. It feels amazing. It's lightweight. It's silky matte and it has like a full coverage like finish. It's like so comfortable on the lips, and it has nourishing oils which leaves your lips hydrated. You know, nobody's trying to look like a crackhead. You can actually never go wrong with the red lipstick. You can wear it during winter, fall, summer, you decide. And I feel like with me, I like to keep it simple when it comes to my makeup. I might do from time to time a dramatic eyeliner just like I did today, but for the most part I like to keep it that way and still be able to change it up a little bit. It looks amazing on every shade, amazing on you. I feel like it's such a like universal color, if you know what I mean, and I feel like it's something that you can wear at the club, you know, if you're going to dinner with your boo. Really feel like you guys are gonna love it just like I do, and I'm so excited. I can't believe that I have my own shade, and I just want to say thank you so much to Il Makiage for allowing me to be part of this. This is still unbelievable to me. I will add it in the description box down below just so you guys can get it, and I believe that they have 1,000 of these, so make sure to get yours before like it runs out. And don't forget to tag me on your post, add me just so I can repost it. I would love to see all of your looks, and I'm going to link everything in the description box down below. I will see you guys very soon.